Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the food testing challenge. Your food will be tested, and if your food is not good or nice, the woman and the husband will both be eliminated. As you are here, there is no going back. So let the challenge begin. All the husbands, stand behind your wives. Participant number 1, present your food. This food is not nice. Robert, kill her and the husband. Hey, Mommy Kelly, did you just see what is happening here? Please, let's go back. Let's go back.
Kelly, why are you so afraid? Calm down. Oh, don't you trust my cooking again?
Hey, you both, stop there. I believe you are part of this competition. Why are you late? Yes, we are part of it, sir. But since we are late, let's just go back, please.
I'm so sorry we are late. I just wanted to take my time and prepare something good. Please, don't be angry with us.
I don't care what you people prepare. Since you are here, there is no going back. Now, join the line. Participant number 2, present your food. This food is not nice. Robert, kill her and the husband.
God have mercy upon
Mommy Kelly, please, let us run. These people will kill us.
Just trust me. Nobody is dying. I know my food. I know what I've cooked. I believe we'll pass the test. Just be patient.
I trust your cooking, but this is a matter of life and death. What if these people kill us? I don't want to die now. Woman, it is your turn. Present your food. This is the best food I have tasted in ages. Wow. Congratulations to you both. You have passed the food challenge. Oh my God.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Jesus. I thought I would be dead. Thank you.
Wow, sir. My husband and I, we are very, very grateful. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the winner of the challenge, Mommy Kelly. She is the best cook in Cameroon and owns the Mommy Kelly restaurant located at Balas Obili. If you want to eat good food, rush now to Mommy Kelly's restaurant at Balas Obili and feed yourself to your satisfaction. Have a wonderful time. Bye-bye.